bunge ya budget ruhonge rwa ugai na urogoti wa magoti kaunti-ini rugwete ati akenya maya kuongererwo magoti makiria kuoneo no njira iria thirikari ingihuthira niguo kuona mbeca itemi-ini ria kunyihanyihia mathire maria mongererekete makiria mwaka-ini wa kigina wa mwaka wa 2022 hamwe na mwaka wa 2023 na kuria kaunti cia Nairobi, Kiambu na Mombasa nicitongoretie gukorwo na mathire maria maingi nacio kaunti cia Mekuongererwo, Kakamega na Nyamira niciiri na mathire maria manini.
Spending bills by the county executive that equally compromises businesses, and we correct taxes from the businesses. In terms of singling out our city county, which is Nairobi City, out of the 163 billion pending bills, the highest pending bill is for Nairobi County at 107 billion. So
kaunti cia Marsabit, Mandera na Kakamega ni imwe cia kaunti iria cionekanite gukorwo ikihuthira kigina wega na kigina kiria kinini hari gutwarithia mihango ya uthii wa nambere wega, ugu kaunti cia Nairobi, Machakos na Kisii ikihuthira kigina kiria kiingi. Ruhonge ruru rwa ugai na urogoti wa magoti rugite ati bururi wa Kenya waya guthie na mbere na gukorwo na mathire maria maingi.
How they are performing in terms of their development. That's slide number 21. You see that the counties with the highest resources on development are the counties which are also marginalized, to include the county of Marsabit. On the slides to your right, we have Marsabit spending about 44% on development. You have Mandera with 39% on development. You have Kakamega, Kwale. But the counties which we hope will also spend more, but also have very high costs and are spending very less or very little in development, is the city county of Nairobi with only 15% on development. We have Machakos with 20%, Kisii with 21%, Garissa with 21%.
Mamwe ma maundu maria meyumiririe kamiti-ini ino ni ati amemba kamiti ino a bunge ni mendire kumenya gitumi gia thirikari ikorwo ikihuthira kigina kingi na gubangira nginyagia kigina kiria itari nakio.
Why we are spending what we don't have. By the rule of Nemodat Code non-habet rule in commercial law, it states that you cannot spend what you don't have.
Mwikariri gite wa ruhonge rwa ugai hamwe na urogoti wa magoti agicokia kiuria kiu ugite ati yo noyo njira iria thirikari ingihuthira niguo gukiria uthii wa nambere hamwe na wonjoria wa bururi.
Because we want to grow faster than what we can afford. Even at our own personal levels, we spend what we do not have. That is why lending institutions exist, to help you move a little faster in achieving your growth targets. So as a country, we want to grow faster than we are able to finance from our own resources.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV ni njitagwo Ng'endo wa Njogu.